So today I'm going to take you step by step on opening up a MooMoo account. And as you can see right over here, we're actually going to be doing this in real time through our phone. Now, as we go through this, the link in the show notes down below will take you to this same exact home page. So you can go ahead and not only get this nice bonus, but get to the correct landing page. Now, currently, as of this recording, you are getting 15 free stocks when it comes to opening up a MooMoo account. So what I'm going to do is actually go ahead and go off of screen for myself, and we're going to jump right into this so we can go ahead and get started. So here on the main page, when we get here, you can actually go ahead and click on the Join MooMoo. If you scroll down, you'll also see the Join MooMoo button here as well too. So we're just going to click on one of those options, and the first thing it's going to ask you is either signing up through a phone, or you can go ahead and toggle on the left hand here and go through an email. Now, what's really nice too is you can choose any of the options down here below if you want to make this a quicker process, but we're just going to go through the regular sign up, which right now is going to be with our email. Now, I want to quickly also thank MooMoo Technologies themselves for actually sponsoring today's episode to help show you the questions it will ask you when going through and signing up for your brokerage account. Now here, we're going to go ahead and plug our email address in, and the next button is going to be highlighted. So let's go ahead and fill this in. I'm going to show you the next step in this process. So the next step here is going to go ahead and set up a password for us. You can see there are some requirements. You do need some letters, numbers, and symbols. So we're going to go ahead and enter a password for us, and we're going to click on the next button once it's highlighted. And next up here, it's going to ask for our first and last name, filling that in and going to the next step. And then from here, it's going to take us back to our starting page here. Now it says open account. So we're going to go ahead and tap over here. So from here, it's going to let us know about opening up our account. First and foremost, as of this recording, you can see you can actually get an 8.1 API on uninvested cash. As well as next, we're going to want to also link up our bank account, and then we want to go ahead and fund our account, and that's actually how we're going to get those 15 free stocks as of this recording. So just something to keep in mind when going through this, we do want to make sure we fund it to get those stocks. So we're going to click on open account down here. Next up here, it's going to ask for your tax residence, and you can see here for us, it's toggled for US, and it's going to proceed with a social security number, and this is going to be required when opening up a brokerage account. You can also do other region over here to fill in with the e-passport or an ID document, but we're going to go ahead and do with our social security number. Tap on the next button. Now up here, you can see it says welcome aboard. It's going to have our information here for us already pre-filled in from what we put in earlier. If you have a middle name, you can go ahead and fill that in. It's also going to ask for your date of birth as well as your citizenship. Now here is where you're going to plug in your social security number. You plug in the full number here. If you don't have one, you can go ahead and tap over here. But in order to continue, we will need this. And again, it is going to be required by law for opening up any kind of brokerage. So we're going to fill that up. Click on the next button and go to the next question. So next up here, it will ask for your address. It says this is usually the address on your driver's license, state ID, and it cannot be a PO box. So we're going to go ahead and enter our address and go to the next question. Next up here, it's going to ask for your employment finances and disclosures. This is pretty much standard between all different brokerages. It just looks a little bit different. It's going to ask for your employment status right over here to toggle down, as well as your income source and how much you have in your annual income, how much your total net worth, what is your investment goal, and if you need a trusted contact, as well as if you are a board member or director, and if any family members work at a U.S. brokerage. Once we have all this filled in, we're going to go ahead and click on the next button. Now, next up here, it's going to ask which kind of account you want to have, whether it's a margin account or a cash account. Either option is going to take you pretty much to the same space here, but we're going to go ahead and just do a cash account for our example here today. And we're going to go ahead and click on next. Now here is going to be the tax certification for the W-9. So it's just going to have your social security filled in, the date, as well as your full signature name, just verifying that under penalty of perjury that you certify that that is your information. If everything looks good, there's a little checkbox here on the left-hand side, and we're going to click on next. So from here, it's going to go ahead and ask for a phone number. So we're going to plug that in and toss in the verification code, and then we're going to click on submit once it's highlighted. So next up here is going to be the risk disclosure. So pretty much all the terms and conditions. You can go through and click on some of the hyperlinks here. If everything looks good, we're going to go ahead and click on agree and continue. From here, we are hitting the submit. It already has this toggled on if you want to wish to receive promotional information. If not, you can go ahead and toggle that off. Doesn't need to be clicked on to go ahead and click on submit. And as you can see here, our account has been officially created, and now we can go ahead and deposit with a bank account to go ahead and get our free stocks by clicking on link my bank account. Now, like I mentioned earlier, that link in the show notes down below will go ahead and get you to that starting page, as well as getting you those 15 free stocks with your deposit. Now, that link does help support us out so we can make more free content just like this for you. And speaking of free content, I have more MooMoo content right over here for you to keep on learning when it comes to using the platform.